Hello friends, welcome to my channel Meron Cooking Videos. In today's video I'm going to show you very short video of how to prepare fandisha using oil. It is really an easy step and very shortcut, so I hope you all guys will enjoy the video. In the first part of the video, we are going to add the oil and put it on over oven or simply over stove. Then once it is ready, we will add the fandisha. Then we will add the salts, and it is just a 5 minutes work. So this one is ready. Now let's add the oil. Then we will add the so for now let's add oil. The second step is adding the popcorn, or which is known as pandisha. We have to add a popcorn, as you see. The oil helps us very much. Now we have added the popcorns and the oil. Now we have to add a little salt, which gives better tastes. This one is enough, I think. Now we have to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Then you will get surprised with the popcorn. It will really looks like beautiful. So we have added oil, popcorn, and salt only. We need only these things. I'll back after a few minutes. So guys, this one really looks beautiful, as you see. We could able to make the popcorns easily. You see, nothing left in the pan. So making a popcorn using oil is really easy to this level. I hope you have enjoyed our short video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe Meron Cooking Videos. See you next time with another tips. Bye bye.